Welcome to Unboxing Cool Things at the Bracebridge Library. Every weekday we will introduce you to a new item from our Cool Things to Borrow collection. Here is today's item. Well, what do we have here? We have a code reader. Now, if you are like me and you have, let's say, a check engine light come on your car and you cannot for the life of you figure it out, this code reader can save you a trip to the mechanic. This instruction manual, it gives you the basics. It shows you what the codes mean. Then you have the code reader itself, which you plug into your car. A code will pop up on this screen, and the code will tell you what is wrong with your car. Now, in my case, the check engine light came on, and the code reader, this one actually, told me the gas cap was not tight enough. So hopefully you, like me, it's something simple, but this code reader will help you figure that out. You can borrow a cool thing today at the Bracebridge Library with your library card.